Talk to me, Mace. Mason, are you coughing? What's you coughing for? That's fake. That's not real.
Hello.
Say hi, Mama.
She say Mama?
Yes, if he'll talk to you.
Mama? Say Mama. You say Dada? Daddy?
Mason.
No.
Hey. Are you going to eat the teddy bear?
You are drooling.
Go eat the Care Bear. Easy.
Let's not gag ourselves.
Tell me. So I got hiccups too. Tell me.
Mama?
What? What? Mason, say mama, mama.
Say Mama.
Say mama, mama, mama.
Mama. Say Mama.
So I got hiccups. I can't say anything.
Say Mama. Stop.
Mason.
Say Mama.
Hey. Mason. Say mama, mama. Whoops.
That tickles you?
See, that tickles. Oops. I tickled his feet today too. He laughed.
He does like that. I tickle his belly when he's naked and it like rolls because he's like, and he giggles.
Mason, what you looking at? Come on, tell me. Tell me. What you doing? It's the top of your head. Where's your bear? Get your bear. Little coughing thing? My goodness. What are you doing?
Jeez, Mace, do you have a rag? He is like soaking
Yes.
himself